Good morning. Thanks for being with us. You're with the news here on Mirror Now. My name is Apurva Sridhar. Let's begin with our top focus story at this hour. The Sena's editorial Samna has in fact now put out a piece wherein it has criticized the re-migration from states like UP, Bihar, Jharkhand to Mumbai and Pune. Now, in its editorial, it says that even BJP leader Nitin Gadkari says that the population in Mumbai and Pune should be controlled. Now, Samna has also stressed that states like UP and Bihar need to take more responsibilities at this point. Let me go across to our deputy news editor, Mayuresh, who's joining me live with further updates on this. Mayuresh, good morning. Can you quickly take us through the highlights of what Sena's mouthpiece Samna has now written, and while they go on and object the re-migration of the people?
Sena's mouthpiece Samna has again reiterated the position of which Balasaheb Thackeray, the founder of Shiv Sena, used to take about the migrants. They have clearly said that the migrants, 7 to 8 lakh migrants, have gone back to their respective states from Mumbai. More 3 lakh have gone back to their respective states from Pune. But now the remigration have started. But in such scenario, the states like UP, Bihar, from where most of the migrants come, they should take the responsibility and they should start giving jobs to their own people, because here in Maharashtra, and especially in Mumbai, cities like Mumbai and Pune, people once the people start coming back, it will become again crowded, and same situation will happen which we are experiencing since last many years. So that's why Samna has criticized the states like UP and Bihar for not giving ample opportunities for their own people, especially the job creation. Also, they have reminded the central government about the smart cities, because in last 5 years, a lot of smart cities get launched. Even the money was distributed or allocated for the smart city projects. But what happened to such cities? Because they have given the example of Nitin Gadkari, as Nitin Gadkari said, that Mumbai and Pune have become congested places. Now we need to find out the smaller cities where we can ask people to go, where we can create a new job. So Samna has also questioned what has happened to all these smaller cities or the new smart cities where the central government had promised to create a job for the people.
All right, but Mayuresh, is the timing really appropriate for Samna to really criticize the remigration from states like UP, Bihar to Mumbai or Pune? Because we did see the kind of plight of the migrants and what they had to go through. And now with the economy slowly opening up, they are bound to come back and resume their livelihood and try to make their ends meet. It is really justified at this point. What are the kind of reactions that this editorial has now got?
Certainly, Aparna, we did try to speak with senior leaders of Shiv Sena, but we haven't got any response from them. A few even didn't even answer to our call. So certainly, whatever the Samna has written, yes, it's we can say it's a party mouthpiece, but many times it has happened in the past also that party has deferred their stand. Party has not accepted the stand which Samna had taken. So now it would be interesting to see whether Mahavikas Aghadi accepts this as a position of their own government, or again Shiv Sena will have to issue a clarification on that.
All right. Also, Mayuresh, have we received any other reactions from BJP? Where do they stand on this issue? Because we also understand that the Samna did, of course, refer to the fact that even BJP leader, as you pointed out, Nitin Gadkari, says that the population in Mumbai, Pune should be controlled. So in that aspect, while Samna quotes this, has there been any reaction that has come in from the BJP over this entire issue?
As of now, there is no reaction coming from the BJP leaders about this issue, where especially Samna mouthpiece of Shiv Sena's editorial have quoted Nitin Gadkari's statement. But yes, we are expecting that even BJP will react to it, and it would be interesting to see that what position BJP here takes, whether they support the Samna editorial or whether they criticize them, saying that creating a job or giving job to these migrants is a responsibility of the Mahavikas Aghadi government.
All right, Mayuresh, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates there.